You're in a noisy airport and you put on your headphones or your earphones, and then suddenly there's silence. So, this is ANC at work, active noise cancellation. And how does it work? So, we are going to discuss this in this video. What are the different types of ANCs? Why should you care? And how does it benefit you? So, before we discuss ANC, let's talk about passive noise cancellation. Now, the way passive noise cancellation works is by physically limiting how much external sound is going into your ears. Now, they can work with headphones when you have a large ear cushion pressed against your ears. They can work with in-ear earphones as well. Again, they're going inside your ear canal, so they are limiting as to what sound is entering your ears. And this is pretty much how passive noise cancellation works. With ANC, there are three types. There's feedback, feedforward, and hybrid. All of these three types of ANCs work on the same principle, which is destructive interference. Now, every sound that is ever produced has a particular waveform. If we inverse that waveform and then add it to it, this will cause destructive interference, and this will result in both the waves cancelling out each other, and what you will get is silence. Now, the way companies, earphones, and headphones do it is a bit different, and it depends what type of ANC they have employed. So, the first one is feedforward ANC. Now, in feedforward ANC, you have an external mic which detects the sound that is around your environment. And before that sound reaches your ears, the waveform, the inverse waveform, is generated and then applied. So you have destructive interference there. Now, this is great for AC hums or engine sound, which is constant. But what if something changes fast, like people talking or horns? Now, this is where it starts struggling. And the system can't really keep up with changing sounds. It can keep up with constant low frequency noises. Now, in order to battle this con, you have feedback ANC. Now, in feedback ANC, you have a mic which is located right next to your ears. So that's basically hearing what your ears are actually hearing. And depending on what your ears hear, which the microphone right next to your ear will also hear, this corrects in real time. So this takes care of any of the sudden sounds that you might hear, and then obviously you'll get silence because of destructive interference. Now, what if you combine both of them? You get the best of both worlds. Now, these are the third type of ANCs, which are hybrid ANCs. Now, if you look at any of the premium headphones out there, they will have hybrid ANC. Some of the companies that do have hybrid ANC are Apple AirPods Pro, the Bose Quiet Comfort, and the Sony XM5. Now, with hybrid ANC, you get the best of both worlds. You don't get the low frequency noise, and the fast changing noise also gets cancelled out. But the con over here is the price. This type of hybrid noise cancellation is expensive, so you do need to pay a premium for these headphones or earphones. Now here's a chart that will summarize which type of ANC, how the mic is located, their strengths and their weaknesses, whether it's blocking engine hum or tuning out a noisy street. Now you know what's actually going on inside an earphone or a headphone. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section below and stay tuned for more.